Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you the tutorial on how to allow your home screen icon to rotate landscape. So as you see, it is rotating landscape right now. This is the portrait mode. And when you flip it on the other side of the landscape, it also allows you to rotate. But unfortunately, it won't allow you to do it upside down. Okay, the phone is upside down right now. So first of all, let's go ahead and show you guys real quick. You want to go ahead and go to your setting. And under setting, you want to go ahead on display. And you want to scroll down to home screen. So right here, you could adjust your home screen grid, either 4x5, 4x6, 5x5, or 5x6, okay? And also on the app screen grid, you could also change that as well. You want to go ahead and scroll down until you see rotate to landscape mode. Be sure to turn this on. But if it's off, make sure you turn on. And then that will allow you to rotate at the home screen. So if I click on the weather, if I rotate, it's still allowing me to rotate landscape mode, which is nice. Because sometimes you look at this and then if you put your phone landscape way, you don't want to look at the side way, okay? So that's a pretty awesome feature. I'm not sure why Apple, they remove it when they came out with the iPhone 10 or 10s. Well, 10R, which is kind of ridiculous. Previously they have it for the iPhone 8 or iPhone 7 Plus, 8 Plus, and then 6 Plus, 6S Plus or something like that. But Apple fans were kind of complaining why they removed this feature. All right. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. This is just a quick tutorial on how to turn this feature on, and enjoy. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.